All right, guys, my big SGC mail day came back. This is my largest submission that I've ever sent to SGC. This box is like 20 pounds. There's over 90 slabs in this thing, and a lot of this stuff is gonna be for sale. So if there's stuff that you guys like, drop me a comment, let me know. Check this out. Here's the box. We've got the larger slabs from the Redmans here. We've got just literally big wads of slabs. We got 1, 2, 3 different SGC boxes. All right, so let's do the Redmans first. A lot of people are interested in the Redman. Redman tobacco cards were card sets in the early 1950s. Featured a ton of different Hall of Famers. And here we go, right off the get-go. Love to see this one. An SGC 4, Roy Campanella. That's awesome. Another SGC 4, Phil Rizzuto. Love to see that. An SGC 3, Monte Irvin. The Dobie is a 1.5, and this was the one from 1952, so that can make sense, a little bit older. And this is a bummer. This got an A, the Warren Spawn, which I thought was the nicest, and then Yogi Berra, SGC 2. So kind of odd that the Spawn would get an A and the rest of them would grade numerically. They came from the same collection, but that is how, I guess, the grading game works. 50 slabs, and then we'll go into the boxes. All right, here we go. We got Hammer and Hank right on top. Hank Aaron. Wow, the 53 Hoyt Wilhelm getting a 1.5's a little harsh. Okay, the Berra. Okay, let's compare these two 1.5's. I mean, that would make sense. The stamp on the back, Gordy. All right, ooh, very nice. 56 Willie Mays SGC 4, 56 Ed Matthews 3, Gilliam 3.5, 53 Bowman Color Mantle 2. And okay, looks like we got a couple of authentic. I'm so bummed this came back trimmed. It looks so clean. Okay, so this is the authentic pile from the SGC submission. And then, oh, we do have a 4.5 John Quinn. Wow. Okay, let's get this next slab box out. All right, guys, so here's some more that came in. Love the Rizzuto. 4.5 on the Spawn. That's a nice one. 6, that's our highest grade we've seen yet on the Hoyt Wilhelm. 54 Ted Williams SGC 3. And the other Ted getting a 3. Nice to see that. These should both be 1s. Yep, the Jackie Robinsons. They both were lower grade. Not too bad looking 1s, though. Here we go. This is a big one. The 53 Satchel Paige. SGC 2.5. Feel like that's a little harsh. Was kind of hoping for at least a 3. Same thing on this one. The 69 Nolan Ryan SGC 5. I had some high hopes on this card as well, but we will take what we can take. There it is. Bull Durham, Piedmont T206 SGC 1. Yes, Bull Durham was a real baseball player. Many of you are familiar with the movie. Well, this is T206. A couple other T206s here. Bob Unglaub SGC 2. A nice Brashear there. Polar Bear T205, which is very cool, SGC 3. Another T205, SGC 1.5. O.J. Simpson, SGC 6. 1970 Hank, SGC 6. Now this one surprised me as well. This was so sharp, but I guess it is a little OC. SGC hates OC. We'll take the 6 from Spawny. Another Warren Spawn from 53, got a 3. And then the Yogi Berra 1.5. 56 Hodges in a 5, Rizzuto 5, Campy 4.5. So these are a bunch of 56s I had subbed together. Nice, the 56s are coming back well. There's the Hank, another nice Hank. Had a couple of Teds. There's a 55 K-line. Now there should be a bunch of 55s in a row as well. The 55s, 2.5 on the Ted, 2.5 on the Killebrew. There's a nice Hank in a 3. Jackie, Yogi, Rizzuto, and then here we go, guys. We've got a couple of Goudies. Very excited about these. This is the #1 card in the 33 Goudy set. I had 2 of them, so I'll be using one of these potentially. I don't know, maybe in an upcoming break. There we go, the Bill Dickey. Bill Dickey was a pretty nice card. Okay, yeah, had some back issues. That's why the 1. And then Eddie Collins, Hall of Famer, in an SGC 2 as well. Guys, if you're still with me, we've got one more box to open. This is, again, biggest SGC sub I've ever had. Let me know in the comments what your favorite card is that you've seen. I have, majority of these cards are going to be for sale on my TikTok live. Some of them I am keeping for future set breaks, but if you see it here, shoot me a comment, let me know. I'm happy to talk to you about it. But look at one more awesome rack of slabs here. I love to see this Yaz on the top. Here we go. 1961 Yaz. 67 Hank 5-5. Joe Namath in a 5. 57 Mantle 1-5. Mantle Barra getting a 1. Give me a 2. 59 Hank Aaron 4-5. 59 Hank Aaron 3. I had a complete set of 59, so I'd sent a few of those in. 58 Mantle. Look at that deep orange Roger Maris, very cool. 57 Pee Wee. I'll flip this over now. So a couple more 57s, a 3.5 and a 4 Hank. Drysdale rookie came back a 3. Ford. Frank Robinson rookie. Ernie came back a 3. Willie came back a 3. Wow, okay, we'll take it. Yogi came back a 1. Ted 1-5. There's that 72 Nolan Ryan, SGC 6. And last but not least, the Duke Snyder in an SGC 5. That's the full reveal of the SGC grade. It's going to be a fun couple of days on the TikTok live. I'll see you guys there.